Zaxbys, I have a loaded fries. This is hot honey mustard, spicy Zac, nuclear or tongue torch, whichever one. So first up, Tinder, make me a little thing. Going to add spicy Zac. And some hot. Okay.
That's float. That's float, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We need to do something with it.
Okay. I've never tried their hot honey mustard or the regular honey mustard, so. That's good. Okay. Let's get into these.
What's that baby toy? That's what was it that?
Yeah.
A jelly turtle. A jelly turtle, Mommy.
No.
Uh-huh. Mommy, that's Danny. I'll tell you a joke.
Okay, tell me a joke.
What's the boy was to go to store? Serious as
Let's
that.
get some
Serious as that.
chicken.
Mommy, I need to show you a that.
Okay.